Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to secant of t, because if I put this one gone here, we have secant of t square minus 1, we change for tan t square, and later that we need to do first the derivative for the both side, and we have secant of t tan t dt. So I will put this one gone here. ds we change for this one. So this one that is about tan t square. The square root of this one we have tan t. So tan t and tan t we have tan t square. And now we have the formula in here. So I will put number 1 go to the right, and we have tan t square equals to secant of t square minus number 1. And now I will put this one gone here. So now secant of t multiplied by secant of t square and number 1. Now we need to focus about this one. So we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equal to secant of t. So we need to do first the derivative for the both side, and we have secant of t tan t dt. dv that is about secant of t square dt. The integration of this one, we have v equal to secant of t. Tan t. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v, and now we have the integration secant of t tan t square dt. Next, tan t square that is about this one. And now we need to expand this one, and we have like this. Negative and negative, we have positive. And we know that this one equals to this one. So in this situation, I will put this one go to the right. And this one we have number 2 in here, because this one that's about 1 plus 1 equals to number 2. Later that we divide both sides by number 2. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. Now 1 over 2 minus number 1, we have negative 1 over 2. The integration of this one, that is about Ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to find the value of t equal to a secant of s. So I will put this one to change for t. Next, secant with our secant, we have s. This one we have s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.